Welcome. If you're tired of unwanted tagged posts showing up on your Facebook profile without your approval, there's a simple setting you can turn on to take full control. With the latest Facebook update on PC, managing tags is easier than ever. And in this video, you'll learn exactly how to prevent tagged posts from appearing on your page before you review them. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Go ahead and click on Settings to access more detailed controls. Now, on the left-hand side, scroll until you find the section labeled Page and Tagging. Click on it to open all the tagging-related settings. This is where you can control how tags work for your profile and what appears on your page. Look for the option that says Review Posts that you're tagged in before the post appears on your page. This is the key setting you need. When this option is turned off, tagged posts can show up on your profile automatically. To stop that, simply enable this setting. Once you turn it on, any post you're tagged in will need your approval before it becomes visible on your timeline. This gives you full control over your profile and helps you avoid unwanted or irrelevant content appearing publicly. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can manage your tagged posts and keep your profile exactly the way you want it.